everyone, I'm Ann Butler. Welcome back to my studio. Today I am excited to share with you my new line of rubber stamps with Unity Stamp Company. These stamps are basic shapes that can be used for faux quilting, card making, scrapbooking, backgrounds. There are so many possibilities with these stamps. I'm excited to share it with you. So let's get started. Today I want to show you how you can use my stamps to stamp on printed scrapbook paper, and it'll give you a totally different effect. You could do this also on printed fabric to give you a really cool effect. For the printed fabric, you would want to be sure and use a fabric safe ink such as Crafters. For the paper, I'm using the chalk ink from Clear Snap because it's fast drying. Now this is the plaid stamp, and I'm just going to stamp with one impression just to show you the kind of effect you can get. It can be really cool because the pattern shows through the stamp. I'm going to take another one of the stamps. This time I'm going to take the leaves all over and stamp so that you can see that you'll get a totally different effect with this. Now if you wanted to do an all over background, you would stamp all of these really close together. I'm just stamping just to show you the kind of effect you can get. So there, that gives you a totally different effect, but it's really cool to create your own background papers with the stamps. I have some samples here to show you that I did, and this was a 12 by 12 paper, and it had little lines through it, kind of wavy lines, and I just took and did a checkerboard pattern, and it's really cool because it shows the dimension of the background paper, but then the stamps add a really cool effect. Same thing with this one. This is a tiny polka dot 12 by 12 sheet. So this is the pattern I used for the quilt block. But you can see the little polka dots pulling through, and it kind of brings the whole thing together. So it's easy to do this in scrapbooking. You can take, and this is like a flying geese pattern with the triangles. So you can see the triangles, and then you can see the different colors of the paper showing through the opened areas. And then I took the square and the triangle from the 2-inch and created a little house. So this could be the start of a scrapbook page. Also, here's an effect. This is a mosaic, a canvas mosaic I did, and what I did was, this is the paper I used. So I took this paper and cut it into 1-inch squares, and I overstamped it with the white ink in the diamond pattern. So you can see it really well on some of the squares because more ink was applied and a little bit less on some, but it gives it a really cool effect and a dimensional effect. So there's a lot of things you can do with these stamps. You just have to play and have fun and be creative. Until next time, thanks.